I'm in Castelfranco Veneto. It's a new city we're gonna explore today. Been in this city before. I don't know the street at all. I'm gonna just walk around, just like I did in Treviso. Hold up. I just realized you can see the mountain from here. We can already see the old castle thing right here. How convenient. 5 minutes walk from train station. I'm gonna get up there and show you the view. It is beautiful here. Also me holding a camera, recording myself is screaming I'm a tourist. I'm gonna cross this little bridge. And look at that. Ooh. Public park garden just outside the castle. I'm curious what is here. Oh, nothing. There's nothing. That's it. Look at the background. Look at the wall. Yeah. So yeah, the center of the city is inside of this castle. We just walked right through it. It's so tiny. And I'm also surprised that there are not so many people on the street. Like in this park, there are a lot of benches, a lot of chairs. But there's no people. I got motorcycle. Alright guys, so we're gonna re-enter the castle because apparently we walked too fast. You imagine ancient time and you need to siege this castle and you have to climb up a wall like this. It's impossible. How do you climb a wall like this? It's huge. It's crooked. Who's gonna sit on that? It's broken. So, this is the city center. We are in the castle, on the hill. There's nobody on the street. pressed the button, but I didn't hear the signal sound. It's beautiful. Is this supposed to be a fountain? Weird design. I have a nice, very nice view. I don't know. Have a picnic here with the ducks. Seems like a place for rich people. A lot of nice houses, nice cars. There's the mountain. Every time I just catch a glimpse of the mountain, there's more building to block it from me. I bet there's some rich motherfucker live here that bought a telescope. And they look at a mountain every day, every morning, every night. Beautiful life. I want that. I want that. It's just more and more buildings like this. Look what I found. A Chinese dragon on a wall of a school. Here's where we arrived at. Here's where we are right now. Outskirts of the city. No more humans allowed. Either get a car or we stop here. Time to go back. It's just a lot of houses. And that's it. And highway. The end of the city. And go the other direction. Seems to be a park. I'm gonna go in that direction to the park. A really big door. And what is there's a giant park behind me, but can't find the entrance. So I guess that's it for today's tour. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go back to Venice.